All right, good morning, students. So I'm happy to see a good, better strength today in the class, right? So first of all, please let me know if I am audible and the sound of the fan is not too distracting.
मैम ऑडिबल है सही
Audible, ma'am.
All right, that's good. So, okay, I was thinking about, having a just again, let's pick one common topic and all of you can answer it for me, right? So, for now,
Yes, ma'am.
I was thinking about, we can talk about your favorite movie and why is it your favorite movie. And also, another related topic that we can talk about is, Bollywood movies versus Hollywood movies. So, which movies you prefer to watch and why? And why do you think whichever option you feel is better, why do you think that way? Right? So, is that a good idea? Hanji bache, so everybody is okay with this plan?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So, just in case anybody is facing network issues, I am going to type it all here for you in the chat. So, I'll give you a few minutes to think over this, right? And we'll start at 11:25 or maybe 26. So I think that is a good enough time for you to make up your mind about your favorite movie, right? So anything about that PPT? I think Gurpreet is not present today in the class, right? So I'll take it that maybe you're not willing to present it. Is that so? All right, Sonali, that is all right. So in case there is some network issue or anything like that, yes, you may send your answer here. All right, are we ready with our answers? हाँ जी बच्चे.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So Arvind, would you like to share your answer first?
Sure, ma'am.
All right, go ahead.
My favorite movie is Three Idiot movie,
All right.
and this movie is very interesting and knowledgeable movie.
Mm-hmm.
It it, uh, this movie is about the three friends of engineering. One friend is in very interested in engineering, but two other friends are not interested in engineering. They choose the engineering because of others suggestions and family force.
Right.
And this movie how tell us about tell us that we need to never give up.
All right.
बस मैम इतना ही है.
Okay. So you can also say, that it is very relatable for you since you are also an engineering student. So,
Yes, ma'am.
and so the social pressure that is being talked about, the social expectations that are being talked about. So you can relate very well to that,
Yes, ma'am.
right? So that was wonderful. And Arvind, what would you say? Are Hollywood movies better or the Bollywood movies?
Better movies. Hollywood movies are also better,
All right. So if given a choice, like I ask you के ठीक है मैं आपको एक बॉलीवुड मूवी बता रही हूँ हॉलीवुड मूवी एंड दे आर बोथ लेट्स से फ्रॉम द जॉनर दैट यू एंजॉय सो व्हिच वन वुड यू प्रेफर टू वॉच
Hollywood movie.
Hollywood, right? So maybe better graphics, better like techniques, and better technology, right?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So that was a good answer from your end. Thank you very much. So who would like to answer next? Jaswinder, is your answer ready?
No, ma'am.
Not yet. So take more time. What about Nikhil?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So your answer is ready?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So share it.
I would like to prefer Hollywood movies rather than watching Bollywood movies because the logic and the sense of the Bollywood movies are always same. That they are showing a hero who was superior than all of the others, and just like the logic somewhere like physics is missing in most of the South Indian movies. Like the hero was flying with the jeep in the air
Right.
and just punching the bad man, and he's like flying in the air like 7 to 8 feet far from the person,
Right.
and many things other like a movie was shown that a person who was doing the role of a policeman, he take a banana from his pen and just peel it and use it as a weapon like knife and cut cut the neck of the other
Oh
people's.
my God, that's actually too hilarious to even imagine. All right. So Nikhil, these are the sort of movies which you don't like, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So do you prefer watching these movies or you don't like them?
Ma'am, ma'am, for comedy it's all right,
Right.
ma'am, but fictional movies of Bollywood or Hollywood are also good.
All right. All right. So, and how about your favorite movie? If you were to pick one, which one would it be?
Ma'am, any favorite movie?
Any favorite movie? Yes.
Ma'am, it's ma'am KGF.
Okay, KGF. Right. So that is also, I think, a well-made movie. I haven't seen it yet, but yes, I've heard good reviews about it. So, I agree with you that, the logic is completely missing from some of our movies. But you see, the idea of a movie, according to some people, is to escape from the real life and to feel funny, right? To laugh about it, to just relax. So this is why, Salman Khan's movies are they do so well. Why? Because people are looking for an escape from the real life. So they don't mind अगर कोई logic ना हो या anything like that. All right. So I have Sonali's answer here. So I would like to read it since Sonali could not answer it herself. So her favorite movie is Harry Potter movies, right? So the series. So it is a world meant to make you think that is so cool, while at the same time enjoy a story with good characters, plot, and themes. So the movie had just the right balance of G with scenes. Okay, so the scenes whose only purpose is to be cool before moving on to the rest of the story. So yes, I know a lot of people who are crazy Harry Potter fans. I haven't read the novels, though I've seen the movie, so I really can't relate with that why people are so crazy about it. But I would definitely like to know. So yes, that is a good choice, Sonali. All right. So who would like to answer next? Sushant.
Yes, ma'am.
So is your answer ready, Sushant?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Go ahead.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, can I firstly talk about my favorite movie?
Yes, yes. Totally up to you.
Okay. My favorite movie is Martian. It's a Hollywood movie.
right?
may uh, hello.
Yes, you're audible. Continue.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. My favorite movie is Martian. It's a Hollywood movie. It's made on a spaceship as a means as a astronaut. Astronauts team goes to the moon, and one astronaut astronaut leave there,
All right.
and they survive around I think 1 year on moon
All
with
right.
some food and uh, and the and things that he takes from the earth. Then he grows then he grow potatoes on moon with a technique, and then they survive. And and later on, after 1 year or uh, 1.5 year ago, um,
So
they
they.
contact or
Mhm.
they in touch with their team, and they finally come back to the earth.
Oh, so that is so you are fond of sci-fi, right? Science fiction.
Yes, ma'am.
And have you seen other movies as well, like Interstellar?
Yes, ma'am.
Interstellar, have you seen that movie?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so you will definitely love that movie as well because it is also about similar topic, science fiction,
Okay.
space expedition, right? So I'm sure you will enjoy
Yes.
that
Okay.
movie. It's another very well-made movie,
Okay.
right? So okay, now
Okay. Okay.
coming to the question of what would you prefer?
Ma'am, I prefer Hollywood movies rather than the Bollywood.
All right, so they are better made and better topics.
Yes, ma'am, because Hollywood makes on the situation, or ma'am, or as a biography as
All
well
right.
as. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, there is a sense in the movie.
So
In a Hollywood movie, there
right,
is a sense.
I agree with you. So
Yes,
I
ma'am.
think all of you, since you are science students, you would definitely want to see sense rather than, it all being fictionalized and, devoid of any logic, right?
Ma'am, yes.
So that's quite understandable. So okay, Nikhil has shared
Ma'am,
that life movie is also good. So Nikhil, is it also of the
yes, ma'am.
sci-fi? Okay, have you seen that, Sushant? Life,
Ma'am, कौन सी?
life. Nikhil just
No,
suggested
ma'am.
this movie, so I was just asking him
Ma'am, I
whether.
heard about.
Okay, so you have heard about it.
Yes,
Ma'am, yes, I heard about it.
All right. So we can definitely watch that as well over the weekend, right? Otherwise, I would say watch
Yes,
Interstellar
ma'am.
first. It's a wonderful movie. Okay, so
Oh,
Arvind
okay,
has
okay,
watched
ma'am.
Life and Interstellar both. So Arvind can vouch for it that Interstellar is a good movie. That is why I'm so advocating for it. See, I don't prefer science fiction much because I am not from sciences background. So for me, I first need to understand what it is all about to completely enjoy the movie, right? Okay, so let's move further. That was a good answer from your side, Sushant.
Thank you,
So,
ma'am.
Sudhanshu. Sudhanshu, am I audible? Yes, Sudhanshu, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Sudhanshu, chalo, would you like to share and talk about your favorite movie?
एक्चुअली मैम नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में बता दूंगा मैम, अभी प्रिपेयर नहीं किया मैम थोड़ा सा।
ओके ओके, चलो कोई ना, आप अभी 2 मिनट में प्रिपेयर, 5 मिनट्स में प्रिपेयर कर लो. आई कैन टॉक टू द रेस्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स, सो यू एंड जसविंदर यू कैन शेयर एट द एंड ऑफ द क्लास, राइट?
ओके मैम।
So you can, don't worry, you don't need to elaborate. You can just mention your favorite movie and you can just tell me that what according to you, you know, whether Bollywood movies are what you prefer to watch or the Hollywood ones, right? Okay, so till then I here have answer from Vishal Kumar, right? So his mic is not working, so he sent me the answer in the chat. So I will read it for all of you. So his favorite movie is Inception, and it is a Hollywood movie. It is based upon dreams, and in this movie, a team goes into a dream, and in that dream, the same team again goes in another dream, right? So in this way, they steal an idea from a person, and it is a very interesting movie. All right. So as per him, he also prefers watching Hollywood movies. They have more, like they have interesting scenes and stories rather than Bollywood. So I think I would agree with you. See, we have some good Bollywood movies as well. ऐसी बात नहीं है. Some of the movies which are made, they're really good, right? If I were to name a few, like Three Idiots was a good movie. Then if you have seen Newton was a good movie, right? So recently, if I would say, the movies which we get on these over the top, over the top platforms which are Netflix, Amazon Prime, so इस पे काफी अच्छी movies बन रही हैं. They are low budget. They have, let's say mid level stars, not those very expensive जैसे जो हमारे high level वाले हैं, कटरीना कैफ, सलमान and so on. But वो movie direction काफी अच्छी होती है, right? So what about Vishal, roll number 363? हाँ जी बच्चे.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so Vishal, your answer is ready.
Yeah, ma'am.
All right, go ahead.
Ma'am, my favorite movie is Bhag Milkha Bhag.
Pardon, can you repeat it?
Ma'am, Bhag Milkha Bhag.
Oh, Bhag Milkha Bhag. All right.
So, ma'am, this is a biography of Milkha Singh.
Right.
Ma'am, this movie shows that if we want to become a big person in our field, we start from the childhood. Like Milkha Singh always go to school raining on a hot sand, by which it build his stamina, and this helps in the future.
All right.
So ma'am, so that's why they gain really. Ma'am, can I speak in Hindi?
Still okay. You speak in Hindi, but then we will translate the same in English and practice that as well. All right.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. मैम जैसे कि मैम कुछ भी बनना हो ना, तो हमें शुरू से शुरुआत करनी है. जब हम 1-2 साल का हैं तो वो इतना अच्छा असर नहीं कर पाता. जब हम शुरू से बचपन से उसको चाहते हैं कि हमें रनर बनना है या फिर कोई आर्मी ज्वाइन करना, हम उसकी बचपन से तैयारी करें तो हम आगे जाके हमें ज़्यादा मेहनत नहीं करनी होगी, क्योंकि हम बचपन से तैयार होते हैं इस चीज़ के लिए. तो मैम इसके लिए मैम इससे ये भी पता चलता है कि अगर जैसे कि हमें कोई काम करना है, तो उस काम के बाद जो हमें रिवॉर्ड मिलता है उसके बारे में सोचकर वो काम करो तो अच्छे से और जल्दी होगा. हम जैसे कि मैम मूवी का एग्जांपल है, जब उसने कोई दौड़ करनी होती, रनिंग करनी होती, तो मैम वो जो उसे मिल्क पसंद था मैम. तो जब भी वो दौड़ता होता तो मैम वो ऐसे दूध करके दौड़ता होता था. तो मैम सबसे फास्ट और जल्दी कंप्लीट कर लेता था कि उसे पता है कि रनिंग के बाद उसको दूध मिलेगा.
Right.
बस मैम यही मैम, इससे मैम पता लगता है कि मतलब अपने ऊपर विश्वास रखो और बचपन से शुरू से तैयारी कर लो तो आगे जाकर प्रॉब्लम नहीं होती. तो मैम जब भी हमें अगर बेस्ट बनना है तो हमें ज्यादा से ज्यादा मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल एंड यू नो लाइक यू मेंशन के शुरू से तैयारी करनी चाहिए लाइक सो यू नो यू कैन से दैट वी शुड start preparing for our goal right from our childhood right so I am not sure if you have heard
Yes,
of
ma'am.
this but this reminded me you know in China so they identify the students or the you know the talented people right at a very young age let's say 4 or 5 and that is when their training begins right so all the participants in Olympics you must have realized that lately China का जो भी हमारी लास्ट एडिशन तो 2016 में हुई थी राइट तो चाइना का जो मेडल टैली था दैट वाज क्वाइट हाई so why was that so no doubt China is still not as developed as let's say the US or other western countries but what they do they started training the kids right when they were 4 or 5 years of age and it is a very strict routine right so they train for that particular sport let's say swimming or tennis or badminton or maybe you know discus throw right at that age and imagine when they enter the Olympics they are 20 maybe 22 तो वो कितने years की practice है उनके पास right so yes that is true that if you have your mind set on something on some goal why to waste any more time right so you should start preparing right away and definitely that's a very good movie I like that movie as well Bhag Milkha Bhag so you know Milkha Singh he was recently he is still in the hospital I believe however
मैम एक और पॉइंट है मैम।
हाँ जी बच्चे बताओ
मैम जैसे जैसे मैम हम कोई जो गुड प्लेयर है हम उस फील्ड में जब नए होते हैं तो हमारे जो सीनियर्स होते हैं हम अगर उनसे अच्छा करते हैं तो वो हमें दबाने की भी सोचते हैं। ये मूवी में दिखाया भी गया है जब एक इंडियन कोर्ट को उसने छुआ था किसी सीनियर प्लेयर के तो वो उसको मतलब बोलने लगा। तो उसके बाद जब वो उसके काबिल हुआ तो मैम जैसे उसके साथ जब उसकी रेस थी तो मैम उसको मैम बहुत मारा और उसके मतलब फ्रैक्चर कर दिए मतलब पैर पूर सब तोड़ दिए। तो मैम उसको दबाने की कोशिश की कि मुझसे बेहतर ना हो जाए। हम
right
यही मैम दबा रहे मैम प्लेयर्स।
yes and I think ये तो आप काफी सुनते होगे even in our cricket see for the longest time the young people were not allowed to come forward right only one odd like sports person they could come forward otherwise वही तुम्हारा पुराना चल रहा था कि जो पुराने players हैं वही टीम में आ रहे थे even if they were not performing well so the young people the young talent was not given a chance that is true for every sport and not even sports it is also true for let's say the corporate world anywhere else the seniors they feel threatened by the juniors तो बट दिस मूवी वाज बोल्ड इन शोइंग द सेम राइट नहीं तो यूजुअली क्या होता है कि आजकल तो हम सोच भी नहीं सकते ऐसी मूवी बन जाए कि जिसमें गवर्नमेंट को क्रिटिसाइज किया जा रहा है इतने क्लियरली या कोई भी गवर्नमेंट बॉडी को क्रिटिसाइज किया जा रहा है राइट सो दैट वाज अ वेरी गुड ऑब्जर्वेशन ऑन योर एंड विशाल so what would you say do you prefer watching Hollywood movies or Bollywood movies
मैम बॉलीवुड मैम।
okay Bollywood so you find them more relatable
मैम जैसे मैम बॉलीवुड में मैम हम जैसे आपने कहा रिलैक्स करने के लिए मूवीज देखते हैं अपना माइंड फ्रेश करने के लिए तो मैम वो जो एक बॉलीवुड मूवी में जो हमारी इमोशंस को समझ सकती है जैसे टाइप के हमारे इमोशन है उस टाइप के हम मूवी देख सकते हैं। तो
right
मैम जैसे एक ही मूवी में हम कॉमेडी भी देख सकते हैं रोमांस भी ड्रामा भी मैम सब कुछ है। मैम जैसे बॉलीवुड में मैम स्पेसिफिक एक टाइटल दिया जाता है मैम जैसे कि ये रोमांटिक मूवी है ड्रामा मूवी है फ्रिक्शनल है तो मैम इसमें मैं एक ही मूवी में सब कुछ हो जाता है। तो हम
okay
हमारी ऊपर से ये हमारी फीलिंग्स भी अच्छी तरह समझते हैं तो मैम हमारे लिए ही बनती है ये वाली।
Right, that is a very good point, Vishal. That you know, since you know, we can identify with the cultural context of Bollywood movies, and we cannot do that with the Hollywood movies. जैसे अब Hollywood movies में weddings कैसी दिखाएंगे? Of course, they are going to be Christian weddings, right? अब हमने इधर वो वाली wedding कभी witness नहीं की होगी. Maybe some of you might have, right? And I hope you maybe you get a chance to witness the same in future. बट वो है कि हम उसके साथ इतना रिलेट नहीं कर पाते जो उनका कल्चर है उनके जो मतलब वॉट एवर प्रैक्टिसेस दे हैव वॉट एवर फेस्टिवल्स दे आर शोन टू सेलिब्रेट लेट्स से नाउ दे सेलिब्रेट क्रिसमस इन अ बिग वे दे सेलिब्रेट ईस्टर इन अ बिग वे थैंक्स गिविंग इन अ बिग वे तो हमारे तो वो कल्चर का पार्ट नहीं है राइट इधर हम दिवाली होली वी हैव देन वी हैव न्यू ईयर एंड सो ऑन एंड सो फोर्थ And you're right about that, you know, Bollywood offers you a mix of everything. So one movie will have all the emotions, right? हाँ, हॉलीवुड में ज्यादा थोड़ी वेल डिफाइंड होती है कि रोम कॉम है या ट्रेजेडी है या ड्रामा है या मिस्ट्री है, राइट? So I agree with you on that. That was a very good point that you made. So you answered well, Vishal. However, I would want you to try to speak in English. चाहे जैसे मर्जी हो. I know it is difficult कि हिंदी में हम खुद को ज़्यादा better express कर पाते हैं without any breaks in a more seamless manner. But do try in English also because आपके ideas हमेशा बहुत अच्छे होते हैं, right?
Okay, ma'am.
All right. So now we are left with Jaswinder and Sudhanshu. So I hope Sudhanshu, you have thought of your
ma'am.
favorite movie.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so which one would be your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Three Idiots, ma'am.
All right.
This is the story of a three engineering. I mean, ये तीन engineering. Yes, ma'am. Yeah,
Yes, yes, continue.
ma'am. The main cast were Fran, Joshi, Ranchola, Chachar. मैम ये इनके थ्री इंजीनियर स्टूडेंट के नेम थे. मैम
Right.
ये एक्टर भी थे मूवी में. मैम जो आमिर खान थे
Mm-hmm.
उन्होंने मैम एक बात बोली थी इस फिल्म में
Right.
कि मैम जो आपका मन करता है आप वो कर सकते हो.
Hmm.
जो आप करते हैं आप वो कर सकते हो. किसी के दबाव में आके आप कुछ नहीं कर सकते. तो मैं इस मूवी में ये बताया उन्होंने कि किसी के डिप्रेशन में आके कुछ ना करो. जो आपका मन करता है वही आप करो. तो मैम मैं इस मूवी को बड़ा लाइक करता हूँ. इसमें उन्होंने मैसेज दिया कि जब आपको डिप्रेशन हो तो आधा आधा वेस्ट आप देखिए.
Right.
That it is about what I truly enjoy doing the मैम उन्होंने बताया कि इंजीनियरिंग लाइफ कैसे एंजॉय की जाती है और पढ़ा कैसे जाता है. गोटा मारने के लिए
So yes, there is also, you know,
गोटा मारने
Mhm.
गोटा मारने के लिए नहीं पढ़ो, कुछ समझने के लिए पढ़ो.
Right. So I
मैम
think,
दिस इज माय
हाँ
फेवरेट
जी.
मूवी मैम.
All right. And what would you say about, you know, Hollywood and Bollywood movies? Which one do you prefer?
मैम आई लाइक ओनली बॉलीवुड मूवीज. मैंने हॉलीवुड देखता ही नहीं मैम.
Okay.
तो मैम जो बॉलीवुड. यस मैम.
So I believe for the same reasons that, you know, Bollywood movies are more relatable for us.
यस मैम. मैम हॉलीवुड हॉलीवुड मूवी की मैम मेरे को स्टोरी एक बार ट्राई की थी देखने की. मेरे को कुछ पता नहीं लगा उसका. मैम बॉलीवुड मैम फीलिंग्स वगैरह पूरा देख के होता है, समय भी लग जाती है पूरी. हॉलीवुड का कुछ पता नहीं लगता मैम मेरे को.
All right. So yes, I find those are valid reasons. Acha, so that was a good answer from your side, Sudhanshu.
यस मैम.
So I said you answered really well. ठीक है, I like your attempt.
थैंक यू मैम.
ठीक है, अब next time we will try कि आप English में answer करो,
ओके मैम.
right? All right. So Jaswinder, now can we
Okay,
hear
okay.
your answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So tell me which one is your favorite movie?
Ma'am, my favorite Hollywood movie is Pirates of Caribbean.
All right.
Ma'am, because this movie has won around 7 Oscars
Mm-hmm.
and Johnny Depp is the lead hero.
Right.
And my favorite Bollywood movie is Mirzapur and PK. Ma'am, dialogues in Mirzapur is very good.
and ma'am PK because this movie show how Indian people blindly follows Babas.
Right.
And ma'am Punjabi favorite movie Hawaii, ma'am, because this movie show the condition of Punjab during 1984.
Which one did
And
you
ma'am,
say?
this
Punjabi
movie
movie?
and
I
Hawaii,
didn't.
ma'am, Babbu Man. Ma'am, this movie is
Acha,
banned by
Babbu
government.
Man. Oh, it is banned by the government. Oh,
Yes, ma'am, ma'am, ਜੇਲ੍ਹ ਵੀ ਹੋਈ ਸੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ 10 ਸਾਲ ਦੀ ਮੂਵੀ ਕਰਕੇ।
ਓਕੇ ਓਕੇ ਤੇ ਇਹ ਫਿਰ ਹੁਣ ਕਿਤੇ ਅਵੇਲੇਬਲ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਨਹੀਂ ਉਤਾਰਤੀ ਸਾਰੀ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ ਤੋਂ YouTube ਵਗੈਰਾ?
ਹਾਂਜੀ YouTube ਤੇ ਹੈਗੀ ਆ।
All right. Okay. So ਇਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਸੀ। Related to 1984, I have seen that movie which has Diljit in it.
ਹਾਂਜੀ ਹਾਂਜੀ ਟੋਟਲੀ ਉੱਤੇ ਆ ਜੀ।
Okay, okay.
ਬਸ ਜੀ।
ਤੇ ਅਦਾ ਫਿਰ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਉਹ ਮਤਲਬ so you prefer any out of the two, Hollywood or Bollywood movies? ਹਾਂਜੀ yes ਜਸਵਿੰਦਰ, so what would you say ਕਿਹੜੀਆਂ movies better ਹੁੰਦੀਆਂ?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, Hollywood. Ma'am, because Hollywood music.
All right, and why?
Hollywood.
All right, so why would you say is it better?
ਦਾ ਜੀ ਕੋਈ logic
ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਬੇਟਾ ਆਵਾਜ਼ ਨਹੀਂ ਆ ਰਹੀ ਕਲੀਅਰਲੀ।
ਹੁੰਦਾ।